So the assessing tool that I chose is Nearpod. Nearpod is considered a presentation web-based, but I use it as an informal formative assessment or even a summative assessment. As you're given the presentation, you can informally assess your students based on the responses, based on the questions they're answering, by drawing the response, by typing the response, or by answering the different surveys that you might have in your Nearpod presentation. So basically what you need to do is you need to go to nearpod.com. Once you create an account and log in, you'll be able to explore other Nearpods that other teachers have created. You can go ahead and filter those by the subject that you're looking for, that you're interested in, the grade level that you're teaching, or even by standards. Once you find a Nearpod that you're interested in, you can add it to your library. And then once you add it to your library, it will be displayed here for you to utilize or for you to administer. Once you decide which Nearpod you want to give to your students, you can go ahead and click on Live Lesson, and basically that will give you a code. Now, in order for your students to interact with the presentation, they will need an iPad. They will need to download the Nearpod app, which is free, and once they open the app, they will need to enter this code. Once they enter the code, the app will prompt them to enter their name, and then they'll be able to participate. Once the presentation is ready to go, you basically facilitate the information, and here's the first question. So once this question comes up, then the students will be able to answer from their iPad, and then you'll be able to see the overall participation, the student's name, if you want to display the name, or if you want to not display their name, you can go ahead and click on this option here, which is hide student's name. Their answers will be also displayed here. You continue presenting the material, and then you can go ahead and add or display videos, and then your students will be able to see them in their individual iPads or either on the front board, and then they have the ability to draw their responses. So this is just one of the assessing tools that I use in my classroom and that I find very engaging, interactive for sure, and my students love it. Once you finish assessing your Nearpod presentation, what you can do is you can basically obtain your reports for data purposes. You can go ahead and analyze the results, and this basically gives you a breakdown of every student, their answers, the number of answers answer correctly, those that answer incorrectly, and you can use that to generate your differentiated math groups, or for data purposes, RTI, ELLs, EIP per se. I hope that you try Nearpod, and please let me know what you think.